This morning for breakfast, my hubby made some scramble with, what is it, mushrooms, peppers, broccoli, onions, and avocado on top.
Okay, so tonight for dinner, that was a funny face, I made grain-free chicken nuggets. So this is coconut on the outside. Some golden beets and Brussels sprouts steamed, and some kind of really limp squash fries. And then I made some homemade ketchup.
For breakfast this morning, we're having homemade raw yogurt with some kind of like a paleo granola, which is basically nuts, seeds, and goji berries, dates, and raisins with a tiny bit of maple syrup.
Tonight for dinner, we're having homemade chicken nuggets that I just cooked up in some bacon grease, and some homemade ketchup and leftover veggies.
Breakfast this morning looks to be fried eggs and sauerkraut. I am also enjoying a glass of kefir. So tell me if you guys would be interested in me doing a kefir giveaway, because it's pretty awesome, but you have to be the type of person that likes it. So let me know. This morning I made some paleo sticky buns and some yogurt. Asher's just having yogurt, and he is just having sticky buns. Tonight for dinner, we're having a paleo pad thai with zucchini for noodles. But this morning we had scrambled eggs with cheese and I think broccoli and onions, maybe? Is there onions in here?
Nope.
No onions. Never mind.
Eggs, cheese, and broccoli.
Eggs, cheese, and broccoli. Ricotta with cheese, bacon, and avocado. Eggs, just eggs. Sunday night, and for dinner we're having squash soup with a little bit of yogurt and some of these walnut, looks like whole wheat biscuits. Tuesday morning, and for breakfast Jarrett made some, eggs with
Basically just
marinara sauce. Here's Asher's with some avo.
Just me at home for lunch today, so I'm having a weirdo lunch of can of salmon with a little bit of mayonnaise and some avocado. That's it.
Looks like Daddy made us some bacon omelet and avocado. It looks good.
So since my husband and I are working tonight, this is our dinners right here. We're having some, I unfroze some of our, what is it called? Brussels sprout bacon slaw stuff. It's so good. Some burgers, some avocado, sun drops for dessert, and some strawberries. We both have the same thing.
For breakfast this morning, we're enjoying some nice homemade yogurt and homemade granola. Actually, it's just me and Asher this morning. Fia spent the night at our Nana's house. So Asher's having just some yogurt. You ready for some yogurt? Yeah? Okay. Lunch today, Fia and I are sharing this little plate of sausages, cheese, avocado, and carrots, and Asher's having some of that, but also is having his own bowl of squash coconut milk. I've already started eating, but for dinner tonight we're having roasted beets and roasted Brussels sprouts, some roasted chicken, and some sweet potatoes, and this is all Asher's, by the way. I'm not a crazy, messy person. Well, I kind of am, but... For breakfast, we just had smoothies, and so for lunch, we are having leftovers from last night, so same thing as last night. For breakfast this morning, we are having leftover carrot cake that I made last night for my mom. It's grain-free. Good morning, and for breakfast, my husband made some bacon, cheese, and broccoli omelets, looks like, right? And Asher's having a little bit of liver pate that I made recently. I thought I would like it, but not necessarily. And yeah, and some raw milk.